We always talk about the child, the parent giving time to the child. But where is the husband and the wife in this entire game? It is very important for their relation also to be in place so that they are full and they can pour in for the child.
Both the partners have their own struggles. I always tell parents that activities here we see that the parents are doing it together. I think that is the most important bonding time. Parents tell me this. What do we do? So I'm like, when you're playing that game of Ludo also with the child, you being just there and being equally connected, not only with your child but with your partner, that in itself will bring about that change. You cannot always have the me time, the alone time.
First of all, I did nothing but calm her. Don't worry, I am with you. We work together with full potential.
This thing called single session therapy. What does this mean?
It does not replace multiple sessions and long-term therapy in any way. It's a very goal-oriented, acute session. In simple words, you're understanding, you're getting acceptance, you're creating the awareness, and you're working on the solution all at once.
And you have founded this initiative called Connections. Tell us more about that.
It's something like a support group, yet not a support group. The idea is we speak, but we destigmatize mental health. Only chill conversations.
So now we did see that a father can also equally play a role, be it however busy the father is. Definitely, we have a live example here that he's given his good enough time to the child, and we can see the results. I also want to bring this topic. How important is it? See, we always talk about the child, the parent giving time to the child. But where is the husband and the wife in this entire game? Also, it is very important for their relation also to be in place so that they are full and they can pour in for the child. So I would love to know that aspect. And once ma'am has given her this inputs, I would love to know your inputs as well. So on this.
So many a times what happens is when you are dealing with such a situation, upbringing is obviously going to be a challenge because it's a new thing.
True.
You wouldn't have expected it. Both the partners have their own struggles.
True.
They're trying to do their best for the children. I always tell parents that, even he was saying activities. Here we see that the parents are doing it together. I think that is the most important bonding time. Because while you're giving to your child, if you are as a couple also bonding, if you're able to extract that, it's like you cannot always have the me time, the alone time.
No.
It's not going to be practically possible.
In general, also,
No,
it's not possible.
And when you have to go a little more than what you would be able to do, definitely it's going to be a challenge. But that's what you actually take in your stride. So a lot of parents tell me this. What do we do? So I'm like, when you're playing that game of Ludo also with the child, you being just there and being equally connected, not only with your child but with your partner, that in itself will bring about that change. It keeps you at ease also. Plus, the environment that you're creating for the child is also very positive and playful. And we also would obviously like that playful environment, right?
True.
So it's serving again both the things. Again, when you go out with children, you may have your struggle points, your struggle days. The way you handle it, the consensus that okay, this much you do, this much I do. We don't start fighting over there. Okay, why did you say this? Why did you do that? That's something that cannot happen because it's only actually pressurizing your relationship. While we are trying to do good, both the partners will be like, what are we doing? We are only trying to do good and resolve the situation and not make it into another tantrum. But you all are also creating the tantrum in your own relationship. So that it's like I very colloquially say That talmel that you need to have,
It's very important.
you have it even otherwise. You just have to keep yourself reminded about that. It's not a hard task. It can be challenging, but it's not impossible.
Got you.
When you're going for your walks, yes, you have a child walking with you too, but you can still have that time and that ease when you're walking, right? You can still have that music on. Child will also be equally engaged, and you are also growing over there. Simple hacks, but a lot of
A
faida.
lot of
Benefits.
What has been your experience in this?
As I have told you earlier, कि my wife sacrificed a lot. Actually, जब किसी की जॉब जाती है, we can understand.
I can
कि हाँ,
totally understand.
है ना? तो
It's very
और
difficult.
being a research scholar, she has done a lot of in the fields of DNA also work. और her patent, 5 patents she has.
Oh.
So it was a very, she was a very good scholar or researcher. So when we came to know about the autism, मतलब she, my daughter has autism. She was मतलब heartbroken. We even don't know what is autism.
Correct.
And nothing we could. First of all, I did nothing but only to calm her. Don't worry, I am with you. कोई नहीं हो जाएगा, कोई बात ऐसे हो जाएगा. No. Actually, she was very frustrated. Even she went into depression also that time. I reminded कि that time I took her to Shimla, Mussoorie. Actually, I all the ways I found out myself कि जब depression हो कहीं घूम के आते हैं.
Tell us, does this really work?
It gets you change of environment, no?
But then you have to come back, no, to the.
Yeah, but then at least you can feel that rejuvenated energy. You know that there's power to. It's like you
Handle
have
the
you.
situation.
It's like you have the chaos, but you have the calmness.
और natural energy means what is nature? सब कुछ समाहित है. Nature will give you peace that is very required that time. So we spent 5 days there. I think I went to Shimla. After cooling her means calming her, returned, and then we found out what to do. See, with all, what can we say also कि full strength, और ये ठीक है, we will do together. What we do. So first of all, we sacrifice, resigned from. Then it not easy to handle a special child the whole day. Actually,
Correct.
because it will frustrate. Actually, when you see a normal child and compare a child with, it will definitely pain you. It will
Correct.
give you pain. So first of all, she accepted कि उसका बच्चा स्पेशल है. इसको भी टाइम लगा, आई थिंक 6 to 7 months. After that, we will both work together with strength. Actually, in morning we both used to go to a park.
Oh,
Actually,
nice.
I let her free. ठीक है, आप घूमो. I will work on Himadri. So with my bike, scooty, Himadri आगे, back side. Take a tour of the 5 to 6 kilometers of the city. Then reach and started work.
Self-care strategies,
Self-care strategy.
which is also very important.
You have to emphasize on that once.
Meditation करो, it will help you and it will soothe you. तो धीरे धीरे all जो चीजें थी normal हुई, and we work together with full potential, and such as we both with the consensus of my wife, we set my targets and started working on some. She was very eager for her academics. Actually, मैं कहता था अरे ठीक है पहले आने तो. No, she put her full potential on her, and this is the result she now can write without any support. मतलब I also never thought कि नहीं ऐसा होगा, but she did it.
So both of you all were, yeah, your goals and her goals, and then
For accommodations, she ordered, I think, 30 to 40 boards at home. During daytime, she used to do it in Himadri, and after coming from office, I engaged.
So you gave her me time
Yeah.
so that she can
हाँ,
also
बिल्कुल.
refresh.
Even during time when she was very
Low.
it was my time. Okay, go take rest. I will work.
Wow.
Actually, such children have a lot of energy, and you have to consume their energy in a way so that they can use
Basically
their
channelize.
channelize their energy, and we have to think कि कहाँ उसको channelize करना है, otherwise उनकी hyper activity बढ़ जाएगी. तो हमने ये सोचा.
So which is so good. The partnership, this is what you know, the ideal partnership, that fine, now your role is done, you can take a seat back, and now it's my job. Otherwise what happens is fathers come back home and they're like, okay fine, now I'm tired, I have done the entire day of work, now I need to relax. But the mother has equally done a lot of things the entire day. That needs to be understood. It's not that if she's sitting at home that she's not worked with the child. It's tiring. So I really love what you have done, that understanding what she's going through, and then giving her space as well. Like you said in the morning, that you let her go and walk, and I take care of the daughter, the activities I do with her, which is so beautiful. That you know, the woman of the house is also giving, getting her space and getting to walk. Otherwise, in the entire day, where will she get the time?
Brothers-in-law marriage was there 2 years back. What to do actually? It was her February 2023. So I told my wife, go and attend. No, we will go. Okay. Actually, Himadri had sound beats problem, sensory issue, or it was very high pitch sounds, or
She was not able to.
she was not able to, and drums. So I told her go, but we both with Himadri and there attend there. Actually, when there was Bharat wedding time, I attended, and after that I gave her time. Go, I will take care of Himadri. So it's very important, the bond between parents also. Actually, if you never thought about your wife, actually she has worked more than you at home.
Correct.
Actually, you have only given office, or office mein you can
Delegate
divert your mind.
Lunch break is there.
Yeah.
There you can divert yourself with other things also, but your wife never. She has no option.
True.
I thought about it, so I did it.
Fantastic. Excellent. Yes, ma'am, over to you. Your viewpoint.
So self-care, like he was saying, I think they have gotten the perfect blend of doing it for the child also, but keeping in mind that self-care is important. Back to square one, there are two important things. There's always compassion, empathy, and care, which many a times gets missed. So the journey that is already with struggles, with obstacles, becomes
All the more.
a roller coaster, because you forget these three things. And it's like you're not able to give these things to your child also, you're not giving it to yourself also, and your partner also. So that's where it's like I always say it's a very simple thing. Love the way you want to be loved, care the way you would want to be cared for. Automatically you will have your answers to what you want to do and how much you can do for yourself and for the others around you. It makes that whole journey very easy. As a parent, you're going to fulfill all your responsibilities, but there could be a sense of frustration. There could be a sense of regret, guilt, disappointment. It's not your fault. It's not the child's fault also.
True.
Both of you have been made in such a way, now you have to deal with it.
True.
And actually, in contrast, what many a times we forget is when we say spectrum, we forget that they actually can have a lot more cognitive skills and abilities that when we say we are not on the spectrum, we will also not have it.
True. I agree. I totally agree with this.
That is where we have to identify the strengths. But because of that lack of awareness, and I really think your podcast is going to add to that cherry on the cake in spreading the awareness, because it's not that there is a deficit only. There are a lot of strengths that your child has. So while you're feeling bad, while you're disappointed that your child does not have a skill, you should actually explore the other skills that the child has and be proud about it. Don't feel bad about it and help the child grow.
True. Very true.
So that also takes care of you and your emotional journey. Plus, you're actually enabling the child rather than just saying you can't do this, you can't do that. I see a lot of parents, they keep taunting their children. You can't do this. You can't even sit properly for 10 minutes. You can't write. You can't read. You're dumb. Those are not the things that you would tell your child.
True.
But that's also their frustration. It's like, we did it. Ek fatka mukh pada tha, we did it. Children don't work with that way. And now if we had to give a fatka or if we had to get it, would we have done it? No.
Times have changed.
But that's where I think that awareness, that compassion towards yourself and towards others, that's where it will play a role. For which you have to have that self-care thing, because otherwise in that frustration, you'll be like, you want to really get in the wrong way, even though the intent may not be bad. All you would want is just help the child have a peaceful family life. Intent is absolutely correct. The problem
The
is that
way
it
it
is
is.
happening, that's the problem.
So, ma'am, I would love to know about this thing called single session therapy. What does this mean?
So basically, like the name suggests, it's a single session. It's a very focused session. It does not replace multiple sessions and long-term therapy in any way, but it's a very goal-oriented, acute session. And when we use it in context of therapy, it's like you may have a lot of acute emotional needs. You may need to provide a lot of immediate family support. It's like, in simple words, you're understanding, you're getting acceptance, you're creating the awareness, and you're working on the solution all at once. But it's like a specific goal being addressed. There could be situations where you may have to have multiple goals. So you have multiple sessions. But most of the times when we go with an approach of single session therapy, it's about focusing on the goal, helping the person or the family, or the person concerned, in short, understand, accept, and move. All
Wow.
three.
This is nice. I mean, sometimes you are in a situation where you want like an answer or a solution.
You may not even have resources
Correct.
actually many a times to keep coming back.
So true.
It could be financial resources, it could be just
Time constraint.
time constraint, locations, your rapport with the therapist. You may want that thing right there, and it's like, if I don't see you for months also, it's fine, but I'll come back for my next single session,
Correct.
but I'll come back to you.
Yeah, because I have seen a lot of people, you can put it as they don't go, because they know that psychologist, if you have to go to a psychologist, you need so many sessions. So I don't have that much time. So this is really a good thing that, okay, fine. If I go, I'll get a quick answer to, because you're already in that
But again,
frame of mind, so many questions. And then when your therapist says, okay, fine, I've taken your history. Now I will let you know the solution later, which is so frustrating in itself. So, yeah, you were saying something.
yeah, but then what happens is there are certain situations we cannot go very single session oriented.
Got it.
I think that's where the role of the therapist comes in, where we educate the
Mhm.
person as to how much we can achieve in just that
This
one session.
Got you.
What are the things that you need to do beyond that one session? It does not end. Okay, fine. You told me, I understood, I explained to you, we build the strategy plan. It does not end there. You have to implement it. You can always want to check back. That is the responsibility that you have to take. As therapists, we'll tell you, yes, we have single session, we have DBT, CBT, you name it, and there is always something that we may have. There are a lot of modalities that we can use as therapists. And a lot of therapists use it all as an eclectic approach. We pick out the best and we deliver. But that there's a little bit of a misconception also when it comes to single session. Yes, we are offering you that one single session. We are going with that solution focused approach. But it does not necessarily always clear out everything in your life.
Correct. Got you.
That open-mindedness needs to be there. It's a fantastic approach. I used it a lot during COVID specifically, because we knew that when we were on helplines and calls, and even if people were connecting, visiting, we didn't know if they were going to be able to come back and connect with us.
Correct.
That time it was like, even if the person concerned didn't want it, we were giving a single session approach, so the client at least feels a little composed, but knows that if I want to come back, I can come back also. Especially on the helplines, there was no chance in which we could, we didn't know whether the same person was going to connect back with us.
Correct.
At least I, as a therapist, used it the most at that time.
Interesting. I would love to take one. And you have founded this sort of an organization called, or it's an initiative called Connections. So please tell us more about that.
So it's something like a support group, yet not a support group, because it's like you and I, with or without a concern, are gossiping. But we are still doing it in a more supervised and a more structured, non-judgmental way. I am there. I can play the role of the therapist if I need to, if the conversation turns out to be like that. But if the conversation does not call for me as a therapist being there, me just being there, it works too. The idea is we speak, but we destigmatize mental health. So we have done it over video calls. We have themed it with food. We have themed it with self-care, all the traditional things. But food and music were two things that we have always had, these groups, connections. Because we just believe, and we have seen also whenever we have connected with people, food and music is something generally people relate the most to. So that also becomes our bonding point. And the impact that both of these things can have on our daily life. It's like how we have this thing, when we are sad, we listen to sad music. The typical thing that may happen. But that was the whole idea. And it actually started off during COVID, when we were all stuck up. And we really needed those conversations happening. And everything was already so stressed. So we thought, let's look at it from the other perspective. Only chill conversations.
Wow, this is really nice. Coming over to you, sir. So, how was that situation when you got to know that in your daughter, it's like 80% of I would not want to put it, but disability. And how did you cope up with that?
It is always a very painful situation to every parent
True.
when they found out that
There's
there something is wrong with your kids. So it was very painful to all of us. But it has also given me much strength to do work. Actually, there was a PET scan. Medical cerebrum was very much affected, and many areas of the brain was not working at the time. So PET scan showed that she had a large portion of her brain was damaged, and we went to civil hospital. Actually, disability certificate is given by the civil hospital. They told us that she has 80% disability. Actually, there is a questionnaire, and after putting questions from, it was confirmed from their side. So, but when they were putting questions, I was thinking what questions she has raised. Actually, there was also psychologist, and I have to work on that questions. There,
He's turning everything the flip side, huh?
actually, I never thought negative in my life, and I also want to. So, the questions she raised, I took the goals from there. Okay, ये सही करना है.
Call a resilient parent.
I know.
Because you know what he's talking about, these questions, when we also do these screenings, many a times the parents are not giving us the correct information. We're like, when we make your child do it, we know how the child is functioning. You might as well be honest with us so we can help you help the child.
My wife has नहीं ये तो कर लेती है. मैंने कहा no. This target has not been done yet. It will fulfill only after she will achieve herself. So I set goals from there.
Resilience,
This is
resilient
really
parent.
nice.
I also downloaded the questionnaire from the AIMS guidelines. There is a long questionnaire. I think 100 or 200 points there. After that, they decided कि आपके बच्चे को disability कितने % है. Actually, when I went to civil hospital with my daughter, she was not able to stand herself. It was
We
3.
check every milestone in that question.
And I showed you कि हिमाद्री में balancing issues जो थे, all resolved today.
Wow.
With
So
the
nice.
time, I worked on her. Actually, अगर self नहीं उठ पाती है, तो if think कि आप मॉल जा रहे हो, if she falls down, who will help her? So I have to make her not dependent but self-dependent. कि she has to work herself. So with the short goals, actually एकदम लार, it will pain you also. अरे ये भी करना, ये भी करना, ये भी करना. No. Take a goal for 1 week. I did that. I also, there is a tuition teacher. She comes to home. Actually, earlier I had employed a special educator. Actually, used to come to home, but I thought that she was stuck to A to Z, 1 to 10 only, and now there is no special educator. Only a normal teacher who attends a normal. She comes to attend Himadri, and Himadri grasps things very quickly. I can't believe कि 6 + 2 8.
लिखो 8 + 4. लिखो. बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड हिमाद्री. 7 + 4. Okay.
I never thought कि she can be so quick, but she did. Actually, we think यार
Yeah,
नहीं, वो काम
we are
नहीं
the ones
करेंगे.
restricting. We are the ones thinking, नहीं ये शायद नहीं कर पाएगी, ये शायद नहीं कर पाएगी. I
Yes.
think we should expose them to everything.
I exposed Himadri everywhere. Everywhere where she want to go or not go. Actually, a few days back, if I went to water park. Actually she had, I told you कि sensory बहुत ज़्यादा high sounds problem. So when we were entering the music, I never thought that there was a music, loud music inside. I didn't go even earlier, but इतना ज़्यादा sound था कि हिमाद्री hold like this. और continuously 2 hours she was screaming. We all were very desperate, but I told my wife, don't, hold on. After 2 hours, Himadri jumped into pool and trying to enjoy the water. After 2 hours, she didn't want to go out from the water. She enjoyed a lot there. So things happened, but we have to find out our solution, our ways. Ki next time I also will take her there, and I'm definitely sure she will enjoy there. Actually, once she got, अरे कुछ नहीं है, music तो चलेगा 2 hours. After which she will enjoy. So I want to say कि overprotection is also a impediment on the way of development of a child. Either is a normal child or a special child.
True.
If you give spoon to your kid, what will happen? At the age of 5 or 6, I have seen many normal kids' parents, they feed their child with a spoon.
I still see a 40-year-old coming to me and is actually being fed by them.
So overprotection, overcare of
It's
the...
not love.
This
It cannot happen every day. We all would love our mothers to make us eat. But you can't do it every day as part of a compulsive routine.
We should not be overprotective to the child. So it is very important for every parent कि overprotection or hold on patience and working on your child रेगुलरली नॉट एक्चुअली बचपन में हमने सुना है कि करत एक कहावत है करत करत अभ्यास ते जड़मति होत सुजान तस्वे आवत जात पे से पर्पल निशा एक्चुअली देयर इज इन माय माइंड कि हाँ ए स्लो एंड स्टडी विंस द रेस आई हैव सेट और टेकन दोज प्रोस इन लाइफ एंड डू आई एम डूइंग माय लगे रहेंगे और विल डेफिनेटली हिमाद्री को अच्छा करेंगे ये सोच के.
Yes, ideal father and parents,
Inspiring father.
very inspiring because you have not left hope. No, it will happen and we will do it. That's what your so-called your attitude has been, which is very important. So you gave her the spoon, and how did you then develop? And we will do it. That's what your so-called your attitude has been, which is very important. If the parents don't give up, definitely the child will bloom, learn.
2 or 3 years की जब थी हिमाद्री मैंने स्पून दिया है so also कि स्पून फीडिंग she start like that. No,
She's eating.
she's
Or you showed her how to eat.
I set her free. खाने दो उसको. एक बार दो but whenever she's like that, holding is like that, but we try to work on her gripping. This is a gripping issue. Gripping issues will, if gripping issue resolved, it will also work in in academics also, writing and many things, holding bottle, how to
Shut the cap.
shoelaces, many
things that can be resolved by one.
These things, Himadri, before Himadri using these two fingers, one thumb and one many, but now she uses there are many videos I have shown ki she is starting, but sometimes I can also feel ki with the time, if you are settled, if you think no all will settle, but if you are working on your child, it will definitely give you good results. But I have seen, as I told earlier, कि parents अपने बच्चों को मतलब mates को दे देते हैं, and mates use mobile phone, and all the times they are busy with mobile. or as
Maids will not have that connection.
Yeah,
Why
they
will they
will
want?
not.
That's their job. Why will
The
they?
main connection, father and mother, even grandparents are not so much connected as you are. अब एक टाइम होता था पहले जॉइंट फैमिली होती थी कि बच्चों को साथ में रखना होता था, एक कनेक्शन था. बट टुडे इन द डिजिटल era, what do you see? Even grandparents are busy with the reels. They even don't give proper time to your child. It's your duty. Don't impose your duty to your
on
parents.
us.
It's your duty. Or challenge. It is challenge to you.
Gone through it. I know. Coming over to you, ma'am. So you have an extensive list of like 4,000 clients, 4,000 plus clients that you have attended. I would love to know first and foremost that experience and how even after such an extensive interaction with so many of your clients, you stay grounded.
Working, like I told you, there was a whole story behind how I got into
Yes,
this.
which was so interesting and surprising for me to be.
It's a surprise to me. Too.
Yeah.
It was all thanks to my family, of course. But when it comes to working with so many different kind of people, so many different concerns, it's all about the trust that they come to you with. And the trust that they continue to have. So it's like the first time when they come, they know they're going to the doctor. That's my driving point because that gives me that, it's my satisfaction, my green flag that yes, I have resonated to what the person really needs, and I'm able to explain to the person as to how we can go ahead with it.
Correct.
Coming to grounding, it's a challenge at times.
Okay.
But
This is interesting.
because you have long work days, you have a lot of stories, a lot of incidents, a lot of running around, a lot of lack of sleep. Then you have your mom constantly reminding you don't have to forget your own self.
True.
But of course, kudos to her for that. I think she's one of the reasons why I would say I am grounded. My constant reminder. She's my self-care reminder, I would say. Apart from that, of course, it's just that trust in itself that everybody has that keeps you grounded and keeps you moving forward because you somehow know that it's eventually all on you. To help them get back to where they want to be.
True.
So the responsibility, the trust, that in itself is the whole force. And of course, I keep telling it to everybody, but that self-care, that compassion, that love, you do it for yourself. Of course, you forget many a days. That's like a part and parcel. But that's actually something that keeps you going.
Perfect. So, thank you for this lovely conversation and a new facet that we have opened, which is a father definitely can put in a lot of effort in spite of being busy. And we have got a validation as well from a psychologist. So, thank you. And I would love to know from both of you one message that you would love to give to the audience. One from you and one from you. So you can start, sir.
For parents, not for only for fathers, but for both. If you have a child like autism or any other disability, first set your targets. Think about what are the weak points in him or her. Then set targets, work on her, and with positivity, push all your potential to get the development, to get what is needed in her. Besides, with the give full time or credit, also actually take your wife with you no, never ignore, never ignore her. Sorry. Because she is the main part. She plays an important part in shaping the child.
Correct.
So give your best with your child, give your full strength to your child, and for achieving targets. I also want to give message to those who are in remote areas who have not connectivity to any therapies. Actually, for this reason, I have also created a channel, as you told
Yes.
you, YouTube channel, and I also request you, for those parents who are in remote areas or not able to what kind of therapies we are needing if such problem is there. So I also request you to convey to those parents, this is the channel. You can also take advice or take
Tips.
input tips from there, so that you may of course work on your child.
Apply those.
So self determination, I also request with the हाथ जोड़ के कि never give your child, special child, to your mate.
Take care yourself.
Take care of yourself. That is very important. क्योंकि you are connected with your child, not that mate. So all things are here.
Covered. Yes, over to you, ma'am.
What I would say is identify your uniqueness, your strengths as an individual, as a partner, as a parent. Then identify the uniqueness, the strengths in your children. Build on that. Keep your spirits high, because obstacles are never going to be larger than your strengths.
Correct. Wow, this is nice.
And your strengths are the main key to getting you overcome those obstacles. So it's like a loop that you create for yourself, but indeed a very positive loop that will require a lot of patience, no doubt. But it's like every success comes with its own challenges. But every challenge that you overcome will be a success, will be your hope, and will be your strength, not just for you, but also for people around you.
Wow. Thank you so much, both of you. And lovely to have you with us today.
I also thank you to provide
Platform.
an opportunity platform, so that I may also convey my message to parents who are not taking care of their
Yeah.
child. So I am very thankful to you